Hello, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Aquarius, pauna mensahe po ninyo ay stay connected. Ayan. So, this could be connection ninyo ito with the spirit, connection ninyo ito with the divine universe, connection ninyo ito with your spirit team, no? Kasi maaring dahil sa kabisihan ninyo, dahil sa marami kayong ginagawa, maraming inaasikaso, baka dumating kayo sa punto na hindi na kayo nakakapagdasal, no? Dahil sa pagod, maaring ganon, or hindi na kayo nakakakaroon ng pagkakataon para magnilay-nilay, mag-meditate, yung ganon, no? Sabi dito, we are all born connected to spirit, often known as the divine source. Yet, many of us have a tendency to pull away from that connection as we journey through life in the physical world. Now is an important time to reconnect to the source. Ayan, Aquarius, no? So, muli, ibalik ninyo yung inyong relationship with the divine universe. Now is the time to reconnect with the Lord, with God, no? At ibalik ninyo, i-rebuild ninyo yung inyong relationship or yung inyong connection, no, sa Panginoon. Hello from heaven. Ayan. So this could be your loved ones, no, sending you signs, symbols, and synchronicities, no? Nagpaparamdam sa inyo na yung mga mahal ninyo sa buhay, nandiyan lang sila, no? Lagi silang nakabantay sa'yo, nakatingin sa'yo, nagagabay, pinoprotektahan ka, no? So, kung meron kayong nakikitang mga symbols, no? Tulad nito, may mga white feathers, may gray, may green feathers, may butterfly, dragonfly, may bulaklak, coins, you know, those are symbols na ginagamit, no, ng mga loved ones ninyo in spirit, no, at yan ay sa'yo, mensahe, no, mensahe yan para sa'yo, saying hello, nagpaparamdam sa'yo na nandiyan lang sila, watching over you, nandiyan lang sila, no, and they are in good hands. Sabi rito, your loved ones in the spirit world want to connect with you as much as you want to connect with them. They know you've been thinking of them, and they're sending you signs and symbols to show you how much they love you, to prove they're with you at this time. Okay, Aquarius, kaya pag nakakita kayo ng mga ganon, elements ng nature, you know, those are signs now being sent to you. That is your loved one in heaven saying hello to you. Ground yourself. Ayan. So, siguro, mayroong mga imbalances din na nararamdaman kayo sa ngayon or na-experience, no? Maaring mayroong mga discomfort physically kayong nararanasan din sa ngayon. Kaya, there is a need for you to ground yourself. Kailangan ninyo dito na mag-step back muna kayo kahit saglit lang sa kung anong pinagkakabisihan ninyo para magkaroon kayo ng oras sa sarili ninyo. No, i-ground ninyo ang inyong sarili, muni-muni kayo, mag-me time kayo, relax your body so that you can also relax your mind. Okay? Para makabalik kayo sa sentro. Alright? Do some kind of inner work para maibalik ninyo sa sentro ang sarili ninyo. Being distracted, unfocused, tired, irritated, and impatient are all signs that you're ungrounded. So, maaaring yun ang mga nararamdaman ninyo sa ngayon. Distracted kayo, hindi makapag-focus, pagod, irritable, no, nawawalan ng pasensya. Those are signs, no, na you need to ground yourself. Now is the time to become centered and allow Spirit to help you ground yourself and reconnect with the divine source. Ayan, reconnection. So, kailangan talaga na magdasal. Kailangan na ibalik ninyo yung inyong relationship with the divine. We have dream talk. Ayan. So, pinapadalhan din kayo rito, no, ng mga panaginip at mensahe through your panaginip. No? And that is also, guidance para sa iyo ng divine universe. Maaaring meron talaga kayong sitwasyon din sa ngayon wherein you need some guidance, no, from the divine, or baka ito kasagutan sa inyong mga dasal. Baka kayo'y humihingi ng tulong, humihingi ng gabay, humihingi ng guidance, humihingi ng clarity, no? Kaya ito yon. Sabi rito, your subconscious constantly and subtly speaks through your dreams. It's just one of the many ways in which your soul and those here in the spirit world can reach out and communicate with you through signs, symbols, messages, and more. Ayan. So, through your dreams, yun, dinadaan ngayon ng spirit world, no? Yung pag-mensahe sa inyo, pagsisend sa inyo ng mga gabay. We have angel number 0505. There is an unexpected shift, no? Unexpected changes. Ito na mangyayari. And that is through divine intervention, no? So may mga pagbabagong magaganap, mga sorpresa na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. And kaya inimbitahan lang kayo dito na sundin ninyo ang gabay sa inyo ng universe. Listen to your gut feel, no? Kasi yan ang magbibigay sa inyo ng signal, no? What is next for you? Ano ang gagawin ninyo? Anong dapat ninyong unahin, asikasuhin, yung mga ganon. So sabi dito, this number serves as a gentle nudge to pursue whatever interests you most, no? It's possible that something could rock your boat, but you'll end up exactly where you belong, which could be in somebody's arms, your dream job, or abroad, etc. So, yung mga pagbabagong ito, no, this is going to surprise you. At some point, it might overwhelm you. Pero, ito ay paraan ng universe, no? Para dalhin ka doon sa inyong destiny. Dalhin ka doon sa kung ano ang dapat na sitwasyon na kalagyan mo at this time. This is divine timing, no? Maaaring merong mangyari ditong pagbabago sa buhay ninyo at yung palang magiging susi para makilala mo ang isang tao na maaring magiging partner mo sa buhay, yung ganon. Or it could be a situation na maglalan sa iyo sa inyong dream job, or baka, yung plano ninyo or kagustuhan ninyo na makapag-abroad. We have angel number 1111. Napaka-powerful ninyo. This is wishes coming true. Meron kayong mga wishes na mangyayari, na lalabas, no? So, there is going to be some patience na kailangan mo sa ngayon, no? There could be self-realizations, manifestation also of what you want, or kung ano man ang mga wishes ninyo, yan ay mangyayari din. You're in for a lucky break. It may come as happy news, experience, new opportunities, or an exciting acquaintance. You will find yourself in the right place at the right time. It is not a coincidence but a gift from fate. So this is really divine timing. Kung ano yung mga mangyayari sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, ito na yung dapat mangyari at this time. No? You are manifesting the situations sa buhay ninyo na destined to happen na sa ngayon. We have 1313, starting fresh. Ayan, so siguro may mga bago kayong goals, no? Na aabutin sa ngayon. Sabi rito, step out of your comfort zone. Maaaring may opportunity na will require you to come out of your comfort zone sa ngayon. Maaaring mayroong opportunity na magkakaroon kayo ng tsansa, no? To thrive, to grow, yung ganon. So, good luck to that. All your skills and talents will bring you auspicious profits. Build your confidence and trust in your decisions. So, most likely, no, yung mga opportunities na to, ito yung mga oportunidad na kung saan magagamit ninyo dito yung mga skills ninyo, yung mga talento ninyo, at yun ang maghahatid sa inyo sa tagumpay, maghahatid sa inyong prosperity and abundance and success. Good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.